In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to connect Clash of Clans with Facebook. So sadly, you cannot do that anymore because they changed it to the Supercell ID. But if you have an old account linked to your Facebook account, you're gonna have to simply go to their official website, and then you're gonna have to simply contact them. So you're gonna have to go to the help center and tell them that you need help. So you're gonna have to go to the support. Now here you're gonna have to select Clash of Clans, and after that what we're gonna have to do is simply select our account here, and then here what we're gonna have to do next is simply choose one of these options. So let's click on this one, and then from here we're gonna have to simply contact them. So you're gonna see a message bubble that will allow you to send them a message and tell them that you want to recover that account. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.